everyone. My name is Gomati. In this video, we are going to see about paste special operation in an Excel worksheet. So, what is paste special? Many of you know that the simple operation of copying a data and pasting it in another place. So, there is you can see many paste options, and there is also a paste special tab. Or you can use a simple shortcut like for copying you can use Control plus C, and for pasting you can use Control plus V. But there is many things we can do using paste special. Before learning all those things, let's learn some basic terms called formatting. Formatting, value, formula, and validation. So what is format? Format or formatting a data means it refers to the way data is laid out on the page. The way a data looks and is visually organized, that is called as formatting. It addresses things like spacing, font size, presentation like bold or italics, alignment like in the center or in the left side or in the right side, right alignment, etc. So these are all comes under formatting. I'm going to format this table using the font type Times New Roman. And I'm going to change the header of this table into bold. And it's already in the central alignment. I can change it into left or right, but I want it in the center. So these all comes under formatting. Okay. What I'm going to, so how we can paste the format, only the format of a particular area into another area using paste special. So I'm copying this whole table now and copying this one, and here I'm going to paste by choosing only the beginning of the cell and paste special option. I'm choosing format here and giving OK. So what happens? Let's see. So I'm going to type name here. So in this cell, I have pasted the format. So you can see it automatically takes the Times New type, font type. So what happens in this cell, I didn't paste the format. So what happens here if I type the name, it's in Calibri. Calibri is the default font type of the Excel worksheet. Since I have pasted the formatting options only here, in these cells, I'm going to apply a border here to differentiate the place. Here, only in this place, Times New Roman get applied here. So I'm entering new name here. You can differentiate. The first header is in the bold, but in the names are in the not in bold. So this is what happens when you copy and paste only the format. So next one is you're going to see is value. What is value? In Excel worksheet, any data inside a cell is called as value. So in this particular cell, 84 is the value. Now what about this one? Yashini. The name Yashini is the value of this cell. So if I copy and paste the value, let me see, copy and paste the values using paste special option, only the values. I can paste the values using paste special, but I'm entering the different subjects in here like C++, Java, Shell, etc. You can see they are in bold because I have formatted them to be in bold. Next one, you are going to see about formulas. Formulas. We can perform various arithmetic operations in Excel worksheet using formulas. So here I have performed a simple addition formula, used a simple addition formula here. So in this cell, we are adding all the subject marks and entering and displaying the mark in here using this formula sum. So by copying this cell and using paste special operation in this cell, I am pasting only the formula here. Since there are no values in these cells, the answer is 0. If I enter some value, see the Formula is applied and the answer is 4. I can extend this formula to the cells below by dragging this box. Right? See? So we can copy only the formula also from one cell to another cell. And I'm going to give a simple explanation about validation. Validation. Data validation refers to applying some particular set of rules to a range of cells. So only some data type can be entered in that particular cell. Now I'm going to apply a data validation to these range of cells. So I have chosen a range of cells, and by going to data and data validation, I want only the whole numbers between 0 to 100 in this range of cells. Okay. So I have applied data validation in this cell. Now I'm going to copy this and paste it here by going to paste special operations, paste special, and copying only the validation. So what happens? Based on data validation, I can only enter values only from 0 to 100. So what happens if I enter a text? It will display a error message. So what happens if I apply a value more than 100? It will display a error message. So I can enter values between 0 and 100 only. Alright, this is another paste special operation. And we can perform arithmetic operations using paste special. Let me show you. I'm copying this value 1, and I'm going to add that 1 to this 70. So here we should get 71. Let me see. By right clicking on this cell and going to paste special, you can see operation, under which I'm choosing add and giving OK. Now it's changed to 71. Similarly, other operations like subtraction, division and multiplication can also be performed using paste special operations. Thank you. These are some of the operations we can perform using paste special.